So guys, Taker protocol has finally do what they know how to do. And imagine having the this kind of points. This is 16,405,755 points. Taker points. And everything this Taker points could earn me. Now let's go to the claiming. Let's go to the allocation checker and the claiming. Because I don't understand what the heck is going on. For you to access this claiming or the checker link, you have to be using a VPN, because I tried it using just the OKX, but it was not opening. In case you are having the same kind of issue, just kindly on your VPN. As you can see, I'm currently using a VPN. So you need to connect your wallet that you've been using to farm. Apparently you are connecting OKX wallet. Yes, you are connecting OKX wallet. If you are not using OKX wallet, if MetaMask is what you've been connecting to put Taker, just import your face key to OKX wallet. Import the face key that you that you'll be using to claim Taker. Import it to OKX wallet and connect. So yeah, I'll just be clicking on connect wallet and see. They have listed on MXZO exchange, MEXZO exchange. They are currently trading on MEXZO exchange. So I think MEXZO and which other exchange like that, I don't know. But I'm aware of MEXZO exchange. So meaning that you can sell on MEXZO exchange. So if you claim here, you can sell on MEXZO. Okay, network connection timeout. What is going on? Let me just cancel and reconnect. So I'm just gonna try again and let's see. Let's see what the allocation to that 16 million tokens, 16 million points rather, is giving me, because it's not for you actually. So here is it. 11 pieces for having 16 million points. God. And the listing price, I think they listed for about 7 cents. It's currently trading on MEXZO, as I said earlier. So if you are claiming, you can claim to your wallet and sell on MEXZO exchange. So let me check the current price. I'm sorry, what's it called? Okay, this is the claiming size. So here you are still going to connect your wallets here. So I want to check the network or the blockchain they listed on MEXZO. So I'm checking that on my on my other device. So let's see. So you see how slow the wallet connection is because of, I think, the traffic. But I don't know, I'm not expecting this actually, because a lot of people do not even get anything, like any allocation. So how come there is traffic on this site? So here is it. They listed on BSC network. Let me switch. Okay, switch to Taker. On BSC, it's currently trading on on MEXZO. It's currently trading on BSC. Okay, now it's showing my allocation, so I will just claim. Taker token based on participation. Okay. The one on MEXZO is on BSC network. Take note. If you are depositing on MEXZO, it's on BSC network. But now I'm seeing that I'm claiming on Taker network. Let me just confirm first. So I've just claimed the 11 token they gave me. So I want to know. Congratulations, you claim successful. Follow Taker. What am I following? Oh, I should go and follow you. You people that want to unfollow, you're telling me to follow Taker. So I want to know if you are depositing to MEXZO exchange. Please take note. The one on MXU is on BSC network. I think they listed on Bitget too, or was it Gate Exchange? Let me check on Bitget. Take note though, so that you not go and deposit. If what you claim is on Taker network, then you might not be able to deposit on MXU. Maybe they just want to force us to hold again. I don't know. I'm trying to check if so I've just confirmed what we claim is on Taker network itself. What you are claiming to your wallet is on Taker network itself. You saw that it automatically had me to switch to Taker. So I switched to Taker mainnet to claim. So meaning that what you claim to your wallet, if you want to sell, is on Taker network. And what is what they listed on, what's it called, on MXU exchange is on BSC network. So it's either you are going to be bridging or you hold. That's just the basic the basic thing you will have to do now by force. I don't know, but you cannot send Taker on Taker protocol to Taker on BSC network. It's not possible. You are not going to see your token if you send to MXU. So take notes. What you claim to your wallet, you claimed under Taker network, but on BSC they listed on MXU they listed on BSC network. Basically, you cannot send to MXU to sell. It simply means you don't have any airdrop to take profits at the moment. So you are forced to hold and hold till there is option for Taker network, or maybe the one they list on Taker network. I don't know. I don't even know. Like, it's not even worth it. Look at 16 million points giving me 11 pieces. 16 million points for 11 pieces. This is another airdrop that they farm the community. They farm their testers. Because how do I explain 16 million points? 16 million points for 11 pieces. Does this even make sense? Does anyone buy this their cat NFT they are selling? Do you guys get anything from that? If you bought the cat NFT, let me know if you got any allocation from that, and was it making sense? Like, is it worth it? Let us know. You might do well to share your experience in the comment section. Let me know if the NFT they sold is worth it. So let us know if the NFT they sold is worth it, because I didn't buy the NFT. It's even more expensive. I'm seeing gas tracker, NFT market, trade, send. What's this? How much do I need? Base. I don't even understand what this one is doing here. But so guys, this is the update on the Taker Airdrop. Finally, they've listed, and that's all. And just wait till they list on their own network, which is the Taker network. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.